Welcome. In the next few minutes you will learn how to enable or disable player versus player combat, also known as PvP, in a game, specifically after your character becomes human. To start, navigate to the in-game menu. This is often done by pressing the escape key or a designated menu button. Look for an option labeled Player Settings. This might be located within a larger section like Options or Gameplay Settings. Once you've opened the Player Settings menu, you need to locate a tab or subsection labeled Gameplay. This tab houses settings related to the actual playing of the game. Within the Gameplay tab, you'll find a setting called here. It might be accompanied by a small icon of crossed swords or a similar visual cue. If you want to enable PvP combat after becoming human, click on the setting to toggle it to the Enable position. This will allow you to engage in combat with other players who also have PvP enabled. Conversely, if you prefer a more peaceful experience, you can disable PvP combat. To do this, simply toggle the setting to the disable position. This will prevent you from attacking or being attacked by other players. Remember that the availability of these options might vary depending on the specific rules and settings of the game you are playing. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.